In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem where your swipe reply option is not working on the Instagram app. So if you open your Instagram app and open any conversation in my messages, if I want to reply to this message, I can just long press on the message, and then you can tap on the reply option. Another thing that you can do is to swipe right on a specific message, and you will be able to reply to it. If this option is not available for you, then you need to do is to check if you are using the vanish mode. So if I swipe up, that will enable vanish mode. So if I swipe up again, the vanish mode will be disabled. So make sure that the vanish mode is disabled. If you still don't see the reply option, then check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. So open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram. If it says update right here, that means that you don't have the latest version. Tap on that button and wait until the update is completed. After that, check if you have reply mode available. If not, then I recommend offloading the Instagram app. Open phone settings. Then go to General, iPhone Storage. Then select Instagram app. Then tap on Offload app. After that, tap on the Reinstall button. If you still cannot see the reply feature, then open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at top right. Select Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Help. Select Report a problem. Report without shaking. Here you need to explain your problem and tell them that your reply option isn't working. You can write to them something like this. You also can add a screenshot where the reply icon not showing, and hopefully they will solve your issue. That is how you can fix the problem where your swipe reply option is not working.